I'm will be a cover so from by DSG TV. Nsemsem Dwumadze. I'm very sure say and then what na one ma wonder na dey ma womba ensem ne se na si ekono na COVID-19 no aba beso aye ni ntin kire coronavirus ntin ya na sometimes no we have to do some in-depth stories bini and the NHS to me Eddie Abro. Make sure say stories be put you together and be very informative and educative to tell you say COVID-19 is real, coronavirus is real. And you know see a casabo who by na way to me Eddie so no wabo who by ye send your be who be to me atoye. Well, we're not even expecting say benya cases because we are still having cases from those areas. So this tells us say I was here to me a boy who ban ye and Cassa, send your be able to me a cockany at the amaye. O man penny in a pump for a year one dear to one part dear. There is loopholes near there. They are still correcting them. It's left with me no send a bit to me putty yourself together. Nay, ye DM one or modia my nina as to no most times ye no a cocker crab modia na fat chemi na send a baby to me a cockama. Midi edinana ama buedua. The current case I confirm me say yenya assistance now 636 and the death 8 recovered 17 then active cases assistance now 611 and rather me you would see say a western region one case na you recorded was from Shama Shama na hono no and nipa ko no of China and we buy and nkrofo ne omu ye adwuma wo mu quarry site wo mu edi emika ma mpanifo aso te ye fa ho se na be o metumi aboa na nyina betumi afight COVID-19 enu nti no mu ehwehwemu ni and the assistance now no okwa quarry site ho no mu na ade a omo ho no mu dada no o maka ho no one is allowed in, no one is allowed to go out. Okwa security men so around ho no nyina and they are doing quarantine, they are quarantining them at that area and no even though yes Shama aboso honum side na honum aye babaka but mpenifo guso mu ye djuma mo bom ho modern and as a regional minister no so A2 and mo bon ho modern and even TTU today has come out with nose mask. Bom was in a boom to me aboa na yin to me aso ano. So I always say even though you are recording your first case which has tend to be positive, but we are hoping and praying say 72 now when they are call samples when we take their concrete no ebeba no na nka no case bia and that is what we are hoping for. Not just say be to me so there's no one at a yibia wa hase so bia bo modern say na kuma beto no yem ne mum ye di emma no se be wash ye nsa ni si hand sanitizers no wo ye adwuma wo du fie ntempa na no akwa kodware anaso be wash won before you even touch anything na say be to me akonkan e de amaye na enrada na Western Regional Minister ye ono abo trader akuma Nsam. And I'm say a weekend you first case in Intino. That is also because of the first case, but then because it's all part of it, Intino. Oh boy, she echo a Jubilee Park, echo chair nose mask near dear, Eddie my J4 or more honum. Because market women one year told you any idea free at the bar. And you know, what's a woman see or move more than a year. And until regional minister as part of the donation of all year, the man cry communities near there no. And why standing the market women. And I say no walk a year Jubilee Park. I no a cameraman a brassed. O fa cameras ni hwi ekokotwa mfoni se ne be minu be hu de mpanifo o mu ye amaso bi act na bonti wo kan sem bia enimu a wetumi aka che ne se nya no krani mu mpanifo epede o mu ye ejuma eboa Western region in the fight against COVID-19 no enu nti no Western Regional Minister no na wo ho enimu ase obetumi ache nose mask worth 4,000 na dia ma temufo mo wiji ni mu no se ne bebutu ye betumi abo na hu modin eye nti enu na okọ Jubilee Park honum ena wosan wa kire se wunnim na nose mask ye che dia ma mo adwedifo yi se ma mbọ modin anhye social distance na mo chiche omumu ewo Jubilee Park mo enni so ni hand wash mo enni so na mo sika o mo sei ni dwumadi o mo di nyina ekokwade a ene obetu eyinim obetu market nim na wo de wo no ma yakwa kwotena ofie na wo anka se we di nyina se ebe pro se ebe ye de ene emfa ne ho because ya nhwe na mpenifo empeje mo for relationships bi emfa ngusu a mu nye emfa ensem bi serious and wesan so ati COVID-19 response team omudi be operate no be check the ins and out of everyone say if it happens here suspected case and say confirmed case bia womo enomema update no ama yehu dia eko ewo western region ha say na ensem ne bebre na wode two ideas gen TV ni mabra ye bopini no na ye ne no etwetwe nkomo ne ntie ensem ne bebre
the reason I want to kind them there ya reba ne bi treating here ehun ntem ne treating here e betuma recover nti one ye yenye you pay the treat near recover. But so as we are trying to treat and recover this one, you pay be so be. No, I'm at nothing. Let's say they be no idea firefighting. I to me and in fact, if you look at this particular case in Pointer, now clear. Yeah, Papa, no do come happy. They are taking the details. They are taking the temperature. They are taking the sample, what the car crown, what the test night and whatever. Into each other, we've been proactive. We didn't wait for the thing to spread before we started getting in. Now, the matter we were able to do it because the communities informed us there. Papa, no, if you have broached it, waba. Another, in case you have Okacha and Desi, fishermen who be so fee, Cote d'Ivoire, then, waba. Down see a Joe on the island, your quarantine one. Tomorrow, bear 200 bag. I don't see I'm working so that they can be quarantined and treated properly. We are very active on the ground. And we want you, the journalists, to help us get the message across, especially on the transmission. Because Akuya Yehuni, only something is biara. Only something is biara. What's the name of the Lord Bijay Yakasi? See, uncover your nose, see, and protect you. Oh, we are not going to be able to do that. That is the thing we want to stop. Only thing else you are starting to go. If I lay up more than the way, then obey a man. Why? Oh. I don't go for a few, but you can't say you can find another yen into the door. May I send it? May I report into the report now, police? Reporting it for medical officers, you know. Get the number hotlines in the island, you're down with the door. No, too wide, man. Oh, you're go for you, man. But I'll be no quarantine. Interaction was not that heavy. But on workers on your doing near Tatuano, you could take on samples.
Well, Ebusia Hante, Western Regional Minister na yete ninka se wo o kasa nti se na Regional Minister wakyekere ni se mu wafa no sa pepepe ena etie enti no mayento ensem no so na afi de Vice Chancellor a wode ma TTU TTU school no Vice Chancellor no woda school no ano Reverend Prof John Frank Ashen no enso de numu nsem to no wo kire emu se ade a nose mask na fashion department student no wo me take up wo maye no omu ye se omu de beboa ankrankre adwumekuo na afi frontliners ye kire ye nsem kirofo no wo mu de beboa ye ama ye reportages ni ade ne ye kwakoye a yetumi abo ye ho ban na afi so ankrankre ni ade no so ye ade a omugu enimu ase wo mbeye bi na omu de abo omu so ehu ban ye no ti no wo mu pre anaso omu beye nose mask 5,000 that is what they are looking up say wo metumi aye assistance na na say wo metumi aye 2,000 and wo metumi aye no ada no omu ma nsem kirofo yensa etumi bi na yesu yetumi edi bi ehihye ye hwene ne ade enti no media kra wo studio ase bomode na tweme de no fama me na me fanche obi bia wo hwe no wo se susu ampa nye se bia ntro bi na ye die ne mom ne krasem ne se eyade a eya fashion department student no mo TTU no eni mpenifo o maye edwuma esumbo yie ankasa na ombekoso aye na omudi aboa obi biara wo o mine especially western region has anase wo ye front line no ombehwe na omaye na wo mu edi aboa sa enimpa no enti ehonum na ye Reverend Prof Frank Eshen John Frank Eshen wodi nenum nsem editor IDSG TV enum na yenko tie nsem bebre wakafa ho.
Yes, munyamunim them COVID-19 wabakana na institution as a taka university no yentrum ntra akwa ode yensu yetum yakeka ho na ye bibia yebotum yada aboa na yakko etia dem yerebe ntina ya fashion department wo initiated them project ntina ne pay yaba ha yebe check may you produce about 10,000 of them near that call the regional coordinating council now health directorates now other bodies in the front line who are fighting this pandemic so that they can protect themselves now ebe wie no na che de yin na ye hu yin bio ntia under na pay ye be gina ha ye dam adoye ama task force no our friend American there was students almost about 13,000 near war achachira for one way so we about 1,000 nti dam committee no wo monitor ne wa hwe any case bia obadan wedi no wotum report na ye hu abesa ye betum ya protect students and other staff. Adam back pandemic catch in there. Wama young follow them protocol that man no. Young keep social distance. You maintain. Na you protect young so. Na ni baby e bibia ya bo modern net na fie. Na yentum yambo ya homban fi ya ba yon. Ndem da man nya se.
About of figures now with regards to anyone I'm not producing.
Yes.
10,000, 10,000, over 2,000.
Yes.
Figures man can say it.
Our plan is to produce 10,000 of them. 10,000 of them. So this is some aspect of the production. Since we are almost about 1,000 to 2,000. 2,000, yes, we are produced. So your main target is 10,000. That's me catch them institution there. One of the supporting they can come in. Then also help us so that we can scale up to that 10,000 target that we want to.
Chairman, our Dema Ghana Journalists Association, Western Region, one Mr. Moses Akroboto. Wono so de num nsem editor edema ye nsem trofo a TTU omabeye ya doye no ena wosan kire mu said in this COVID-19 no was nyina yetumi ye boye ho be ma ye nya ne se ye nsem trofo ntin we want to be on top of issues, we want to be the first to report and all, they want to be the first to break news and all that. Nemom ye make sure say we come out with the right information. Na nkonko ba ne se ahope press unti ene edi mpani nyama bi ne ade nti no na ye ne eni se ye na mom yentu yebo na ye reported the right information ena wo toto sre se eye nsem tro adwuma enimu no enkrofo bi o mu from ho bloggers wo mu no wo mu tro ensem a enimu se wo mu de be gini attention na mo wo read o mu de afaso enya wo mu sika na wo kire se as a professional journalist I will practice adwuma. May you make sure say information about accurate. Send ye be ye dwumadie no ebe differ from bloggers for no dwumadie enu nti no COVID-19 ye na yembo ye ho ban na niam o ma kire say ye news camera no no microphone who interview nipa na sa 1 meter distance no ensure that you are doing it send e betumi abo wo nsɛmtwoni ne ho ban ene ne a wo interview no so no ne ho ban na ensɛm bebre no wakade fa ho enu ntini yenko ne ne chairman of Western Region Ghana Journalists Association Mr. Moses Akroboto Nsemsem wakan yenko tie bebre emfa ho
Ranchofo na no yedi yenyina ye dwuma bom but yehun say omo call out no bebre wo ho a omo ni nose mask. Nose mask is not one of the biggest solutions but yehun say wa be gina manim na wo ka most of the time no speed ebe free wanum aba in a form who want to mean fa weni enhu so you feel say ye mawo nose mask na we the cover one now ni obi kasa de wo be ka no say to mean free wanum sometimes no the 2 meters now you see yen keep social distance no at a point no it will be difficult to keep that protocol so with the nose mask no cover one who kasa yen nyina ye nim say ebeka ewenum nti I say we as DJ you know yeni sika yedi be bebre so what we did was to lobby and we have the Takoradi Technical University supporting us over 300 years but say each member and I say each journalist and obi a wadi ne ho aka ye ho to join us in working will get at least 2 so that if you use one is worn out you can actually wash it and dry it and then use it for the next day. Enti the kind of other media houses are more yejuma no. Ye bompa say media houses no. Media house owners no. Omo who say omo ayeni omo yejuma no. Especially omo correspondent our region ha no. Omo tai enkai wom so that PPEs ni nyama omo ewo main offices ewa Accra no. Omo the baby money, omo war regions, so they can also be protected. We don't have money, we cannot do enough. We have a lot of support coming in, but nobody is thinking about the journalists. But fortunately, we have few institutions who have made promises to support us in the fight against COVID, so that this particular moment is a very critical moment that Obia sorry and no purpose. So it say, hey, I already say still a war. So it is the time that the public are so hungry for news, and you cannot ask the journalists to stay back. That is why we are part of the exempted group. So for us, it is a step in the right direction for the Technical University to produce this and not to forget us, but to give us some. And we are happy, and then we will distribute it. We still expecting more. We will give more so that one will actually be changing from time to time, not using the same nose mask like 4, 5, 6 days.
And no mamimbi so advice for Bema journalists no in the fight against COVID-19 so more update so no betumi ma accurate update because there are a lot of bloggers out there more update fake and we as professionals no advice for Bema to us to ensure good updates to the public.
In journalism you have to be gatekeeping. Gatekeeping is the most critical. You see, journalism to me personally takes root from the traditional setting. Uko ahimfia na nabe to me aka say wusa akwa we wutika kraka bi the linguist or the chami will take it and say na nasi de oye no anye ne ye. So if we invoke the gatekeeping role by telling people that look, this is wrong or whatever come to you, you filter it and make sure the fine quality steps out there. You don't just throw things out. And I will use this opportunity to tell let the public know that there's a distinction between a blogger and a trained and a professional journalist. They should try as much as possible to make sure that what they churn out went through the mill. The gatekeeping is peer reviewed and we all agree that what is going out is going to support the fight against COVID-19. And yes, I want to be the first to report. I want to be the first to report. And we should also be very careful how we report suspected cases and make it look as if it's a real case that we are running with. We should hit to the fact that stigmatization is real, and then people are so scared about the pandemic, and they should be careful reporting, as stated in our code of ethics, reporting the identity or anything that will expose the victim to the ridicule of members of the public or to get the public to shun them.
Well, and you know, Abra, Western Regional GJA chairman, what they Nsemsem Dwumadze, and at TTU, Kasama for what they ma TTU, or riches and call. One also actually say Muse. Sa initiative mu put up, they realize, GJA, and as a journalist on more Western region, mu here and more, and no to kakra or as an institution, no me to me, Edia Abua, Womono, and Unia, and no Adano. Woma ebeye because wo mo kire ankrankra dia wana so mo kire nkofo dia on how to sow dia, and then these are some of the things that ometumi ede abo as part of their practicals no, and to their insurance and so ometumi aye more to help. But as stands now as so maka no 10,000 nose mask and omo hwe ni so ometumi aye, but as stands now ometumi distribute 2,000, and you know going forward no they are going to do more. But let's go and listen to him. Richardson on no TTU PRO. Anybody nkomo no yebisa say this great donation on my diama GJ, you know. The empire cover the buy and currently know how many nose mask and no way to me aye ediabua GJ. Pache mo cover the buy this TV.
Yeah, medicine.
I mean so this great donation on my diama GJ and you need so one part and so me so we the empire and no mutina so
all right, Medasi Bebre. GJ donation no ayadia I say yeah because this yare we buy COVID-19 buy ya who donations are who bebre el cost. But sir donations no cost wa yete. Near cost wo Kumasi yete. Near cost wo Eastern region yete. Near cost wo Tamale yete. Yeah then yete. And crofobia no mako fava. But Takrady Technical University at Tennessee, who say, I'm bringing on your donation near Ja Omuma Omokofa Sono at the Brian near Jawum. Into Debia, no, not journalist, you don't know. Maybe we are waiting for it to say, but could be when you be out over a few months, sana. Yes, sir, your crackable. And it's not Takrady Technical University at Tennessee, yes, Dabi. We're no more Omokofa and some Brian. Inside the Intina say, yeah, you be near cha. Young Farmon Cajon. Na omonso entumi yusubi se oba ya woni mebedi nkomo se me obi a unim nanso wo shebi nkwa de we can say you are somehow covered yeah fully but somehow covered inti anu na ye gina so a ye nse sa de a ye ma GJ bi na journalist for no de bia omo na omo ko omo ba no omo so yusu na omo fa bo omo ba yin
inti ma me say and then no do say no modi kan che ne dada and then susu no say and na ma che.
All right, you need to do who say yeah share about between 10,000 to 15,000 of the nose marks. Your process you go so yeah. You may know can say more young when you want to go so. Now and then you do over 2,000 a buy ya check. And now Yama GJ and we've asked the executives to say some channel be doing because we don't want it to be in the second Takrady Metro only. I'm sure more tapa. I'm sure more bogoso. Any axim nene keke kahono. Into no as and when the need arises, GJ be approach say we need more. We are ready to give it to them.
Okay. And mama be so advice when no more ankran krom pa ma de no so so this year na COVID na we are fighting it, you know. They can do with their skill. Na etumi abwa in terms of boosting our economy because right now it looks like COVID in term economy no aba form kakra.
This is the time as our mind honda or so done it. So opamade now ufi say uwonimdia betumi dey nose marks na men can fake one nibi. Quality one, time tested. Uwo akwenya so betumi aye bia. Ye. Se ekamenko afache. Emre aye wumi enya mra o se enkonfo ani eba so se o se menye sika bebre. Ne akoso ne de bebi ana yare ho se idea was say nke ye turn 2 cedi no be turn 5 cedi 10 cedi 15 cedis me na American say so wo akwenya so betumi aye bia ye na fa che na menim say embra e wo mu ya embra ye nyina ye hia ye ho say be bobo ye ho ne atumi aso yare we ya no.
Well, you everywhere now free there. yɛmbɔ pre-market women who wɔn etitire ɛna enrada wɔn ebeche nose mask na yɛde ma wɔn na wɔn so de nsɛm bi yɛde to yɛnim sɛ wɔn hɔ sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a nose mask yi hyɛ yɛ mu no ɛyɛ dwadifo no betumi ahyɛ ne yie nti market queen mother yes ɛno wɔ ne yɛ atwitwi nkɔmɔ antiefo ɛno wɔ ne yɛ atwitwi nkɔmɔ na wɔkyerɛ sɛ kɔba ne sɛ market women no eni emra yɛde ama wɔn ne so nhyehyɛ yɛde ama wɔn so wɔn eni so a asotwi ewo honom e de ma wo mo no ene na se be ka cho se ma me hihye wunuane anase wono maye no ewo market one because when you ready said the ampenifo kire no wo bedi so enu nti no twonho na afi wo mo a o medi the ampenifo na hye no so no wo mo emra medi juma na so mra emeton ade na mom yenkwe ne yentie de no so eka de fa eye akyede enu ada wo mo de ebre wo mo ne ho Queen Mother of Market Circle, market has said no. One of them, one mammy patchable di my
from the phone chua.
And now, if we're in chua, mammy, I COVID-19 by me, sure, say what the city and idea. And then the regional minister by number Casa, a nose covers, Eddie Amamoni idea. Musumu and then I'm more a catcher.
You catch a regional minister there, Yabanoya Hoopa. Tian so ya family. Man, you are not customer, regional minister Ken. We're turned away to do. Wa one sound without national wa babe wamu ma yabanu wentum anka western region fukra because yabanu yempe do kan ma wasi enya kwa kurumpo yabon pe do ntum kokra
all right nti me say wo market women no mo mu didwa wa ha say no enchechwe ni hye be na wo de ama wo mu se wo mu se wo bi enhye nose mask no ana social distance ya ye bo hu de wure wo mu se wo bi enye bia e de na wo e de ma wo mu punishment be na wo de ma wo
se mu hu de obi nhye bi se wo che ma hen se wo che no wanso wo se wo de bi baba te so de ba na me che na se mu hu de nhye bia motu mama ma wonda mada akọ because na we mpere ye ba no to nti obi a mo hwe obi aso aho ne nsa ho wo ko wa ba be me fine ma ama ye ba no because ya te ye ba no me fra mem nti ama wentum na wankan
yo enti ye de besi aha say senya Queen Mother no so de num nsem de to ye nimu no na mom enrada ana me senya me catch o na shama eye one case ye record ye no eye health director shama district omo health director wono ho no no eye Mr. was say asibe wono so ede ne nsem bi ede to dwo abra eye ye nsem treni Emmanuel Smart amo adodo na ye fe no adomba wo preaching no ne ntwitwi nkomo ebisa ne nsem 102 bi ne nkyeremu a wode ma no no so ne nkonko tie sansem no ye ba ye betwa so.
We send samples to Noguchi from our district, yes, and once you have suspected somebody, it means that you are ready for whatever outcome you get. But for us, we were not expecting that a case should come from this small district, but we also knew that we have a lot of expatriates in the district working within the power enclave. We have quarries, we have ceramic factories all over the place. With the outbreak of COVID in other parts of the world, our public health emergency management committee met, and there were some decisions to ensure that all companies and factories within the district have some plans in place to manage COVID. So we went round to all these companies and we told them to put the measures in place. So the companies themselves, if anyone travels out and comes outside the country and they come back, they do self-isolation for them. So we know of some of the companies who we even went to look at the isolation places they had, and they isolated the people. So the people were conscious of all these things already. So this guy who came through the Elubo border on that fateful day, was brought straight to his room. The car that picked him straight from the border, straight to the doorstep for him to enter the room and then isolate for the 14 days. And so these were systems already in place to make sure people are isolated as soon as they come from places with local spread of the disease. The factory itself their activities have been suspended till further notice. So now there's no blasting, no crashing of gravels, nobody buying gravels and all that. Everything is suspended. For the workers who were contact to this positive case, they have been asked to self-quarantine. They have their residence within the quarry site, so all of them have been asked to self-quarantine. And we have the military and the police ensuring that these people adhere to what we have told them. It started yesterday when we had to trace all the people he works with within the quarry site. So all of them have been captured now. Now we're moving into the communities to look at those who stay in the community and go and work. But information we got from the management of the quarry site was that most of the workers were residents at the site. So just a few people, those who come to do some business and then go back to the community. So those are the ones that we are following from now on. They should remain calm. Everything is under control. We as health professionals, together with the security personnel and the district assembly, we are working for the interest of everybody in the district. And whatever measures we are putting in place is to make sure everybody is safe. So as we have quarantined these people, we expect that the people remain within the quarry site and they should remain there till they are cleared to go out. It's a small community and we know how people are going to feel. But the good news is that COVID-19 is should I say, it's not as deadly as we are making it seem. You get about 80% of people infected becoming well on their own. Probably they may not even know. Just as these cases, this man looks very fine and everything, but he has the virus. He's fine. So people should not panic. Most of the people who may get the disease will be fine. So this is not something that we should panic that much. However, we still need to take all the necessary precautions to make sure that we don't get ourselves infected. So as we have always been telling people, the hand washing is very important. As you touch somebody's door, touch any surface, you make sure your hands are cleaned under running water with soap for at least 20 seconds. Make sure every part of your hand is cleaned. If you don't have access to water, running water and soap, then use the alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Again, if we also stick to the social distancing, it's also another way that we're going to break the chain of spread of the virus. So group meetings, crowding at the marketplace, crowding in vehicles and all that, if we adhere to these things, we'll be safe. And I'm sure the people of Anto will listen to us and do as we have said. when it doesn't require that you should go out, it's better you stay indoors, so that we are all safe. At least in the next 2 weeks, if we are able to keep to these things, we are sure to make some progress. And the rumors and all that, we want to appeal to the people that they should seek information from the right source, so that everybody will be calm.
Well, Mamina way so na me humi na me nkoje nkrato mra me ba ye besen atoa enkomo ni so.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idun we aye mpoboa. Mpoboa sort ye desert lufes lipes na de. Say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun pem location so me wa agrek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Mami fa wonko izima Elembele district e ho enrada Ministry of Social Welfare Department no ni assembly ni nyina no ekoko hwe omo nso ukai se aban abeka se enam COVID-19 no omo nso na enja nso ni ton na fama ye free enu nti no private own water sellers ne so na no so no na de na ye he se wo mo no meye because wo mo no their life depend on nso no mo to ma me ni wumi enu no enu nti na no ada ye social welfare department no ene Elembele district assembly no etu apono ekosa nkrofo we no musu ene omu kodi nkita hoso se kwan omefo so metumi etu wo muka no metumi eja nsuo ni mama ye ne etumi ebu nsuo ni free na mame nko madam Mercy Misila be kwashi wo no ewo social welfare department wo enu ono so kan ne no omuko private owned water sellers for ne hono ene omuko kodi nsa wo so enti anti Mercy utimi nka me wakwa basonko ba Ideas TV. Bibia boko de.
Nyame adom bibia kama.
Yede nyankopon wase. Enu ada mutu apono eko nkrofo wo muton wensuo. Omu life depends on nsuo no muton ne so omu no nkodi nsa woso. Na mame mbisa se kwana mu kwani nyina kokko wie ni sen.
Aha, me dasi. Na mama dasi ni tia agefo nyina tia de omo mu tie mi. Tia omu nya na ene omu ni se Chief Executive, no, any planning officer, coordinating director, any social welfare, any call or career inauguration on these board members now. Board members now, so I'm sure you know membership and so in your collaborate too. We know any system manager, no system managers just are almost area. You call you pass Ebiabu baseke asase ene enyahye na we organize in kra a trot na na keka mbo mi eche yensa because na ase station into fencing enam say distancing into no na ase ye teacher mu ye mfa omo amma bebri enti ye ne won kasa system manager ne kasa say vendors a omo wo nyina no ade a omo tua omo ka into no akatia omuditia no on your number of vendors out here under him no na on fa omo ye fama water and sanitation community water and sanitation na fe no no be share on betia sankofo no tika no ama that system manager no and na fe so this areas ni na sa na fe so mo ka say private sector be on one what you and na wa bo ho kan o ton the honestly no honestly so obie no free at the man for na honestly obey den into ma system manager no and so aware say e say o ma o mu nyina yi dey fa say o mu dey yen tuansuo no ka no yen tuansuo na mo yetia aban be tuansuo because tuansuo no mo free water system no mo into once a free water system no mo no be dem o mo akatia no asa ni e dey ma vendors no sa ni e dey ma sa private sectors na so
Oh, okay. And you know, na me bisa say wo ko sa mo no mo ko din san wo so no. Omo response towards it na tisem because ni pakro no ensuo na wo ton no. Na wo dey fa so ehwe ne busua no wo ankasa ne ho. Na afin so no ensuo ni ntoye mu no bucket bia ne se na obi asiton no. And say me ton no 20 pesos, we beton no 50 pesos. And you find your size of the bucket no. And you know, no so sa no omo response towards it na chere say.
And then how one say, say, Musicano, a bag to any. But now, question, I find to see a young man in free. It's your limiters to do a use a day. The wood and I had the vendors, so you see, you almost one. Then once I almost get on the born was winning to know. Oh, to me, anchor criticize coming from my no daddy. And to the end say, the vendors, no, you don't cut 40 Ghana. 40 Ghana no be prepare their man on to because on to change that you free water system no that water e kese na o my community water kese no system and also no mo change efim to o mo leakers do a ekọ ho ha tin no na ha won kaka to say the car o mo nya no enye sa na o mo be nya no ka o mo tua o car but na e ba to say you see am yin na ye boa na ye hwe say aban be ye yi. It is all your say obeto system, obeto infusion, or mancofo, a mountain swat, at the hygiene. If you send an air cobano, that's a community needy person more. I say, if you say, okay, system manager, and she take it and will meet the private sector. Only offer for me, private sectors, no, they know, next week, Wednesday, and Tuesday, the start of you. Any private sector no to akokasa.
Well, mami misa wo enti no ye hai. Mo bisa wo mu no na sika se na wo munya ne bosume. Na sisi anu so aban aka se na COVID-19 fa se nyina ye bo abobobo ye ho ne enti no. Mu ye nya nsuo ni free ma obi antumi nya den. Wo nya bi na wonsa emfa nya de wo pese wo de ye no. Sika se na assembly no so no ahyede ato wa na se aban ahyede ato wo nom se wo de betua wo nka anti wo ha wo musika wo munya no bosume no de aban ade bra wo mu na nini mbo ebra anti no omu se mikemu enye kokose omu ni mo be ya adwen age de mo de banatum na sika ne yese sika ne differences ne yese
omu ni enya adwen that time no mu ni enya adwen enti na chief executive ka say and the assistant manager no on share woman now on select on call it on share the private vendors no na yen share yambo next week dey no ka na omo tia fie maye na vendors na e wo ho de nde ya abai de ni tie kan no omo de omo nya
se omo de no omo sha abai santi ondo omo ni nsem bia aka fa ho but ye ka private for no ye ka because abai ni nsem kemu no well one said an kama private for na wo mu so anti nema bi asiye one said an fa nsem bi ngugu approve my private for na anti wo mu ho asiye enu nti na I'm sure say mu face these challenges no ti ma me bi say esika say na assembly na so metua ma sa vendors private vendors for no nti wo mu say esuama wo mu na say wo sakra na de na wo mu kwakọ ya fa ho
system managers no and no mu tia vendors nika.
Okay. And in the same no would you wa muka.
But I thought time I acquire no. System manager no bia into me and kase. Then the normal 2 cities and now 4 cities and now 5 cities.
Assembly now finding out and some more hono.
But I say
Assembly no man finding out and some more hono mana.
That time I find a catcher and say I say give us a anyone can say. Sika oditia o mukana ya de da ho sika editia o kana de da eda ho but me ya shada an kate 2 cities and 3 cities system manager no enti da private ones ni private ones they sape na account meeting na yakwa no and o mu ni say no sika nje so mu kate mu twa o ka extra. But then one say, me as a person, a community officer, no, I'm not making fun because I may take it exact interest. So I am one next week, you know, after your cockle share private vendors. Me have to cut it on Munyano Busumi, nothing who the car, system manager, to edit vendors, na ho ana pere wo se share so ana isa ye be tali omo ni enu no e ahwe se tali ana tali a ni ehu se ne ba just na final community water e wo takwadi enu beba because omo no omo work side na dia no obeba na tuwa be share akatia no so I want them if you are here say nyambo next week ni
hear me, Papa. Mama, me details because I know they hear me. Because say a man is son and not quite to say, yeah, Jinko 400 yanibi, a tissue, and a Cobanis and no son, I am one, no sign. I was sent here, say to me, yet to money in a day. I want to say, na echo, nay, to me, a yakro, and to Auntie Messi, Mpacho, Meda was in a moment, send your wakano, I will depend on you. On all the results, Mama inaccurate results and information here there. So send your bear. Yen my one a takradi has says yes, you bet yes, near day who so say yes, you dear ne bar. Yan yes and obi CK free, some man so big boy apple. Why? Miss O made us Papa Panyami. Amen. 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 Yami unsura so very. And to Auntie Mercy, Mr. Bekwashi. One our social welfare department was my lembele. One I attend in Kano. But I mean, call Adomba Honum, Emmanuel Smart amu. Yamamin Kono Honum was second day, and then a 1 year workshop on the fight against COVID-19. It's Mamin Kono Honum, ina. One also for the air course our workshop Honumuno, Emra Messuaya. But I can just say, aha, I Nsemsem Dwumadze on Ideas GTV. They brought from Monday to Friday. Now, a time here, I because of I say information say the bro will and I was a time and now I can tell now they are chemi. I don't buy what you mean come, no aquaba. Bibi Aboko, dear. And I pay well petty be a no money at the medium. All right, okay. And then more workshop on still on the fight against COVID-19. Let's know what's happening.
Yo, Nana, me that's it. And I pay Yabepimu Ewo RCC Omo Conference Center and a conference hall. Now, a Ministry of Information Omo Agency Bako Information Services Department and a workshop for district directors and some senior information officers on the COVID-19 fight.
Okay.
Now, we've been told that these officers are going on grounds. They are going to everywhere in their district to let people know about the COVID-19 so we can all combat and stem the spread of the virus. Now, in Pembrede, Mr. Aka, Mr. Asma,
okay, SK Asma, information officer.
Yes, regional information officer. But unfortunately, regional minister Ebrum says here and say, Mr. Asma to run and go and welcome the regional minister Honorable Kobi Ochodako. And unfortunately, Mr. Asma, if Remencha was here, but we will try as much as possible to record him and probably play his voice tomorrow. And see, Nana Ibedu or RCC and Obeya or workshop information services department together with RCC and the regional health directorate. Regional health directorate Impa representing was the regional health promotion officer and Orakasa Efan the virus, how it works and how we can
I don't know position who can cram me why
how the virus works and a corner ever for that biblinara one quenya or virus be OCDP my Western region has a lot of cases are only confirmed. We call them suspected cases, but we only have one confirmed case on the wall and two apostle, and many of these cases are still pending. So the main reason, the purpose of this workshop is to let the information officers know a lot about the COVID-19. One about the virus, how it works, how it spreads, so that when they go to their various districts, they can also disseminate the information to the rural folks. So, the myth, the myth and the fiction around this virus or too much. If you say Africans are immune, if we are not born, we cannot contract the virus. I can't contract the virus. These and many more. And I work the information officers so that when they go down, they will let them know that we are all at risk. So the precautionary measures must be observed.
No, I don't pay. Mommy, what say COVID-19 response team? We have one already. Is it that they are not working effectively as they are supposed to work? That is why a neno or more workshop to create more of the response team now. I said
Nana, far from what you are saying. As you said, every district has a public health emergency committee management. I from the response team. They have their own emergency numbers. Say, we suspect someone, and I do to over. They call these numbers, they call the person, they quarantine him or her. Now we take the sample to Kumasi or Neguji. So it is far from what you are saying. All the response team are working very hard. But with this workshop, the regional minister together with the regional head directorate and information service department in the region would want to equip and also let the information officers know more about the virus.
Okay, so where they are giving the medication to know more, to go deep, right?
Exactly. They've taken them through a lot of education, and then RCC, one conference center, how the virus not spread, maybe a virus no fina obey. We don't have medications for it. How your immune system can fight the virus in case and show any signs and symptoms. How your immune system itself can fight against the virus for you to come out negative. A lot has gone on today, and I'm sure when these information officers go to their various districts, they will go and work. I mean, I know in Krasi. Now, this particular workshop, they are targeting and one in Krasi, when the television and radio to listen to whatever is going on. So with the information van, they can disseminate the information very well to the rural folks.
And you know, and maybe so as at now, no, woman to me actually isolation centers are who draw women now.
Very well. Now, the regional health promotion center, health promotion officer, there will be a fund holding. About Western Asia, we have a holding and treatment center. Echo a fair and quanta one or infectious disease control unit, and away you would this as one or holding center, and a fair quantanga sounds or treatment center, and a Takrady hospital so holding center. When you go to a Hunter West, this school a holding center. Also Western region, they be a only holding center. A Memphis Central. I want to win the district hospital. A Memphis Central, a Manso, a Memphis. Which you are now walk as Sankoga. I hope no money holding center, but across. You were 14 districts in the Western region. So 13 districts has holding centers, but one, which is a Memphis Center, one pay, and the one who holds this center for now.
Well, and you know, you are making me know, say, if you want a treatment center, right?
Holding center, I'm sorry for that word. Or a holding center and not a treatment center.
And then can make us say, if you say treatment, and there's some say the conquer, say
and over HTML. Takrady Hospital, I take in European Hospital, and I have a film quanta, a one holding centers of suspected COVID-19 patients.
Oh, okay. But penny for no be as a worker, regional minister, as a worker, now.
Okay, Nana, let me rush and go inside now. Because the regional minister, Kasayamfa, the voice in the Kakrana, a worry, so the will see ideas TV. So I'm sure the regional minister is addressing them. Yes,
Okay.
he's talking. Hold on.
Okay. Well, you know, Ebusia, Nsemsem Junior, Adoma, Emmanuel Matamu, Adodo, and our friend Adomba, Wono, and I know where to think common. So, regional minister no work as an intino, any Niente as well, and Yentini.
Crisis we are having with the coronavirus. The coronavirus starts as an upper respiratory disease. People hide it in their homes. By the time the BC jack is gone into the lower part of the respiratory system, and then becomes pneumonia, and then you are dying. And then somebody will come and ask you, where are the ventilators? But if initially you are reported yourself, the hospital can use simple techniques to make sure that you are relieved of symptoms and they can come back home. And therefore, as you are getting training today, I know a lot of the issues that will be coming up is how to address public concerns from this coronavirus. This coronavirus, as information officers, you cannot and you should not spread fear. You cannot and you should not spread fear. You should spread hope. Because 80% of the coronavirus cases go on their own. It's the 20% that you see the disease manifest. And therefore, you should be able to spread hope by telling people that if you wash your hands properly, 20 seconds, your hands properly, 5 or 6 times, 10 times a day, there's 99.9 likelihood that the virus you carry it. But when you wash your hands and mistakenly you even touch your face, you might not be having the virus on your hands. 2, they are saying that if you stay in your home and you just don't go out doing nothing, the virus won't make it in because you're already at home. And like Dr. Opoku Pepe said, when you have the virus and you are moving with the virus. So stay home so the virus don't do what? Don't move. And it's true. We are talking about social distances. You came here, you have done it, isn't it? So how can't you tell them that they should do the same? I'm telling you that you don't work for NCCO. That's a constitutional body. As for you, you work for us. So do the things such that we can have excellence in whatever we are doing. We are saying that the virus can travel through the air, so we should wear masks. That's the latest we've been promoting big time. When I came into the room, only one person has masks. So if people are getting the disease, 99% of you get the disease, and this one will not get it. When you start, it's not comfortable, but with time you get used to it. So start wearing your mask. And the mask, the reason why I have taken a decision to wear the locally made one is that we don't want people to give an excuse. They would even get this other one from the shop. But this one in China, they manufacture them in people's home, like they manufacture the local ones in people's home. So you should encourage mothers and fathers that even if you have a small machine in the house, just take one of your cloth, cut it into pieces, put it on top, and say for the children to use. It is constant until the disease is over. Putting on the mask should be a constant feature of our culture in Ghana now. This is very, 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 very important. And most importantly, when you hear that people are spreading falsehood, get feedback from the region and let's correct it. Recently, for the last 2 days, we had, when I got up in the morning, so circulated all over that an umbrella has gotten the fear. I believe that the umbrella will go under pressure. So I have to make sure I give a release so that people calm down. This disease can be managed. It can be managed. It can be managed. And this disease is no respecter of person. From Queen Elizabeth to Boris Johnson, to a lot of people that we know. And therefore, I believe that it is time that you get the message across as quickly as possible. I know that we are not just going to give information.
used to not going to play our football. We are not used to not going to our disco. We are not used to not going to our bar. A lot of civil servants after work always go to the bar before they go home. Because most of you don't have your wives and children even around you. So that becomes your place of enjoyment before you go home. Now we say don't go to the bar. Naturally, there will be a natural resistance. But you have to do the behavioral communication so that people can change for the better for now. So the disease is taken care of. So I won't like to waste much of your time. What I'll say is that I've seen some new energy in the ISD, and I know that we are going to carry it on from there. But these days, they are not bad at all. They do a lot of TV. And I feel like you didn't say to support all your MMDCs. Get them featured all the time, either in the digital media, social, whatever. Make sure your EC's presence in all these places are felt. That's the reason why you are there. And as far as I sit here, all of you have gone to school. So you cannot tell me that you don't have the knowledge to do it. I know you have the knowledge and the skills to get things running.
Okay, so Nana, that was the regional minister Onlapukubi Oche Dako Minister. Onana, Ordinary Minister, Ose Atuba Ewo Oye workshop no assay. So he's only letting the information officers know that when they go, the right thing must be done.
He's letting us know that there is a time we need to send the message across. But that comment from the Western Regional Minister, I have a little problem with it. Why should it be this is the time? Has not been the time in the matter dada. And I feel because of you are recording one case, so this is the time.
And I'm sure we recorded a case, and that is why he used that particular word, that this is the time. Not that the region is not fighting the pandemic. We are. But he's just letting us know that in this time we are in difficult times here because we've recorded a case. The guy who is positive also have had contact. As I'm speaking, 71 people are under quarantine.
Yeah.
So this is the time to let everybody be aware of the pandemic, but not necessarily that the region has not done much.
Oh, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying because starting from the disinfection exercise, I always commend the regional minister and his people that they are really doing a great work to help fight COVID-19, especially in Western region. But that phrase of his said, this is the time, I'm confused, and I'm sure the viewers who are watching us would also say the same things. Why should the regional minister say this is the time? My question is, experiencing being intelligent, it wasn't the time. But all being good, well, let's take his words as he has said that this is the time, and then we need to rise up and then do the education more and more because time has soon. I don't know. I'm a million hand wash, social distancing near the no. I say, yen, send a being able to be up with a woman. Okay, so as I now, like I said, 71 samples taken in there, yen result to be on my.
And I'm going to take those samples. I'm sure according to Gucci today, and we are still waiting for the result.
No, okay. All right, so I think the regional minister can say there. That's all, Anna.
Yes, Mr. Asma, Onyam P, Opie Danka, but okay. Mr. Asma, a PSC and Meganama Kwanwana, Menano Aqua Kudi and Como Kakra, but he's still having a chat with the regional minister. Okay, the regional minister is just joining his car, and then Mr. Asma is here with me. Then in come about 2 minutes too.
Sure.
Now I am here. That's a good morning.
Good morning.
That can maybe sir, why you've assembled your staff here today?
Yeah, me the one about Sunday. Originally, I am a Pani Dewu. They say COVID-19 ban. Or I said they are Mama for what's it, business. I had a Mama for going through. The catch one the Ubiana in the Honeymoon. Yes, are also there. already yedika yeguru yebode no mum ode asan ya baba trase nye hweza ya kudu na afi mu akwana aba fodoma ya ba de na ye besi dan no e da akoso akai nti oye workshop ye ama ye de bobo ya adwu was ye no ama ye tuma carbon another de wubon wa ko do drama amafo atase suban bi order sesin ya asesa we de 2 years abo on bana fru dem covid 19 year be hu of course saying I tapo that your man so tapo na bibia so okodo no then you join the audio bodo winti or ya say the engineer.
That's what I say. Then I have to leave Mr. Asman because regional minister friend for 1 or 2 chats.
Sure.
And your name is Asman BC, but he has basically let us know why he has summoned his district officers here at the residency this morning. So, Nana, that is it from the West Regional Residency, Adoma, reporting for ITS TV.
Thank you so much. I remember why you into the I would the chat him and I think I have to give it to you. You have to.
You have to.
All right, thanks very much. I tell you, I am Jenny. You must not smart. I don't know if I don't know who Jaya Fema. We know that money show no the information ministry no so wa gona no ono so ho no mu bi eno nti no I think say ha ene de dwumede ni nyina be si nsɛmsɛm dwumede no ene aha ene de be si say na regional minister wa kan de rubo no be koso ye ankasa eno nti no obi anda ne ho so sempanyifo kra na ka ne say ye na nya me ne wo mienu wo mo a sebe ebi wo mu nsɛm a bibie no metumi hirere o mafiri mu say ya ompo na mo kire ne say ye na nya me ne wo mienu so wo huntie nyina yembo ye homodin say ebedi ensem o maka kire ye no so yenwo yensa ye nose mask bomodin a wo kokroma 3 cities pe we 3 cities a obia enfa wo nkonko ye bibia bomodin a so opamade so this is the time a wo benye sika so wo hu e say ye fight COVID-19 so apa but then no so opamade a take the opportunity hand sanitizer buy ye to 2 prices ni mu people took opportunity of that. Why don't we take opportunity? Way another and a titi for no more babe chair a yin trophy and umgusua wo moche. And no, so also no way a seamstress. And also you're telling me take this as an opportunity to boost your white the impo with sales to boost your sales. So what was here? Take this opportunity now to boost with sales na bibia and to me and your fine. So then we'll draw the curtains down for today's Nsemsem show no. Yankopon ya adoma watching na ya besan so atina still make yourself time no ohun ekwa misrew. We need you se na misido na ohun hia me no na de achame na yetina sia na oni nyina ya adwen ba ko na oni ahwe wo joining me bia no so nyame wo show Yankopon ya adoma watching na ya besan so ehia midin ede nana ama wojiwa.